Hello dear friends and welcome to Sketching Academy. Times we'll make the lesson like today. It's not exactly the lesson. We not study the specific things. I just make the sketch, nothing more. But you not just observe how I'm doing that. I will make all my comments and explain why I'm doing this or why I'm doing that. And my advice, slowly, step by step, repeat the same exercise. For sure you can use the same photo, you can just click on the pause and take it from the screen, or you can use any different photos, doesn't matter. We just talking about the idea how to build the plan of that sketch. That's our reference photo, how we feel that light. And I can tell you that happens because of the clouds behind the buildings. So first of all, and that will be my starting point. So I put it here, just like that. And that's important. We have a pretty nice church, but I want to make better composition. That's why I changed the angle a little bit. So we create the plan. Quinacridone deep bold, clear cobalt for sky. The same combination with a queen sienna. We can make it warm or we can make it a little bit purple. So choose the basic colors, decide how it will look like together. Let's make the sketch more interesting. I'm starting from the negative space. So for me here is one of the most important things. We can play with our clouds a little bit longer. Now we can switch to the second step. And I mix the queen sienna with my shadow mix, so I create something dark. Remember, we're talking about the sketch, so be easy. First, I create the dark mix for the trees. We repeat the same graphic design like we did there. To create the feeling of the perspective, I make washout here. Look at that. Almost invisible because it's still part of the shadow. All what we should do now, just add the nice details. And the same trick. Using dry brush somewhere. No worries, we're back to that to create the right shadows here to show the windows better. We explain the feeling about the dramatic clouds. We make good color combination. We create the composition. We did everything except it's not exactly 100% understandable details. It's look like something. For example, about that windows, you see, if the lights come in like that from top, some little bit noise on the wall, like we have wires. It's again a little bit more abstract. To make the better contrast to my lamp. I like how it's looking. So we did everything what we want to do. So it was a very easy to make all the lines look believable and explain the perspective. I want to back to the very important question. This time, how I decide which colors I want to use for that sketch. Thank you very much for your time. Enjoy the practice, enjoy the sketching, and see you in 2 weeks in new issue. Stay healthy and bye-bye.